Yo guys, and shaky. It's worse because it's at night, and ndiyihleka because fans zikanja are serious. Like, they are defending him, guys. Bamdefenda into yoba uVovo mdala kakhulu kunohoyinja or umdala kakhulu kunonja, so she should not be making any advances towards him. Now, according to findings, guys, uVovo is about in her late 40s, and then again, Onja is in his mid 30s, according to what I found on social media. But ke ifans zakhe zithi lento ayenzayo uVovo is not legal. First and foremost, wena unomayogathi wakho uzothini emntaneni? Why futhi uzomcela into yoba makakuncamise emlomeni? Why can you not act mature? Because umdala for lento eyenzayo. Babodwa ke abamthukela into yoba uye wabiza abantwana into yoba bamdaka, the kids that were basically wanting to interact ke nonja, and ke uVovo ebagxotha ebesitha bamdaka, understand? So ifans zikanja zithi uyam-abuser unja. You can't just go to a person and then uthi makakuncamise, then ke ngoku sofuna ilobola and all those things. But guys, man ke ndive ngani, what do you think of this interaction? Ndicela maske si-engage aneni down on the comments, and Sholenz on Bona shortly. Thank you guys so much for joining in. Bye.